A welcome. If you've ever wondered how to view a friend's age or birthday on Telegram, you're in the right place. Telegram now makes it easier to see this information, provided your friend has chosen to share it publicly. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn exactly how to check a friend's date of birth on Telegram, updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Whether you're using Android or iOS, the process is the same. Once you're in, head straight to your chat list and find the friend whose age you want to view. Tap to open your conversation with them. At the top of the chat screen, you'll see your friend's profile picture or their name. Tap on either one. This action will take you to their profile page, where you can view more details about them. Here, Telegram displays information such as their username, phone number, and, if they've made it public, their date of birth. Now, look for the section labeled Date of Birth. If your friend has chosen to make their birthday visible, you'll see it displayed right here. This can help you quickly find out their age or know when to wish them a happy birthday. If you don't see a date of birth listed, it means your friend has kept this information private, and you won't be able to access it unless they change their privacy settings. Remember, Telegram gives users control over their privacy, so not everyone will have their birthday visible to the public. If you want your own birthday to show up for your friends, you can adjust this in your privacy settings under Date of Birth. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can check if a friend's age or birthday is public on Telegram. Stay connected and never miss a special day again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your Telegram experience.